Diyan po natin makakuha lahat ng mga equipment po dyan, ma'am, sir. And then we also have a faithful river ride or other commissions the Lady River. Okay? Picnic area is located there sa Makota, Makati, and Cubao po. Ito papuntang Pasay, Baclaran, malapit po. Okay? Are you ready, ma'am, sir?
Thank you.
Are you
Ready
ready?
na. We're ready.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, congratulations po pala sa inyong conception niyo po.
Ha ha ha.